In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate or how to enable iMessage on your iPhone. To turn on or to enable iMessage on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings. So once you get to your settings, I want you to scroll down and look for where we have apps. So you want to tap on the apps. So once you tap on the apps, I want you to scroll down and look where we have messages. So let's scroll down and look for where we have messages. So once you see messages, you want to tap on messages. So once you tap on messages, it will bring out this page for you. On this page, you can see we have iMessage over here. You can see iMessage is turned off on this device. So to enable iMessage, I just need to tap on this iMessage. So once I tap on it, it will turn green. So guys, this is how you can actually enable or activate iMessage on your iPhone device. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.